I'd like to invite Dan Sultan and Missy Higgins to come and sing this next song with us. So please sing along with us. Come gather around, people, let me tell you a story. An 8-year-long story full of power and pride. British Lord Vestey and Vincent Langari were opposite men on opposite sides. Vestey was fat, full of money and muscle. Beef was his business and broad was his door. Vincent was lean and spoke very little. He had no bank balance, hard dirt was his floor.
You were working for nothing but rations. When once they had gathered the wealth of the land, daily the pressure got tighter and tighter. Gringy decided that they must make a stand. Packed up their bags, started out walking. Out by the creek they went and sat themselves down. Don't sound like much, but it sure got tongues talking. Back at the homestead, and then in the town. From little things, big things grow. From little things, big things grow.
Well, Vestey man said, I'll double your wages, 7 quid a week you have in your hand. Oh, but Vincent said, oh no, we ain't talking about wages. We're sitting right here till we get our land. Vestey man roared, and Vestey man thundered. You don't stand a chance of a cinder and snow. Well, Vincent said, if we fall, others rising. From little things, big things grow.
From little things, big things grow. From little things, big things grow. From little things, big things grow.
So Vincent Langari, he boarded an airplane. He landed in Sydney, big city of lights. And daily he went round softly speaking his story to all types of men from all walks of life. And Vincent sat down with those big politicians. He said, look mate, it's a fact. It's a matter of state. Yeah, let us sort it out while your people go hungry. Vincent said, nah,